Both of you as politicians know that perception is reality, and I think perception across the country is a big component of the people that are against this. And the perception is that the people who came here illegally didn't follow the rule of law. So why should they be granted some sort of an exemption, the standard procedures for entering this country?
Well, there's very few people outside of you, Mark, that have not violated a law at one time or another.
And I'm proud to say I have not.
So, absolutely. The fact is that when people violate the law, they pay a penalty and we move on. Now, this law has been violated. This is a 10-year path to a green card. This is thousands of dollars in fees that need to be paid. This is background checks. This is an enormous, long path to achieve citizenship that is as part of this bill. I would argue that there's a very heavy penalty that is being paid. And yes, they entered this country illegally. They will pay a very heavy penalty, but they also, all of us, have a chance for redemption, and that's what this is all about.
Should note as well that one thing, in 1986, basically if you could prove you'd been here 5 years, you had a shortcut to a green card. And in many cases, those who were here illegally jumped to the front of the line ahead of those who had gone through the legal, orderly process. We made sure in this legislation that that doesn't occur. If somebody is in their home country waiting and has waited for years for the right to immigrate and obtain legal status here, all of those who are waiting in the legal process have to go through before the first person to receive citizenship under our law takes effect. And that's important. That's important for the rule of law. But as Senator McCain said, you know, amnesty would be an unconditional pardon for a breach of law. We're not pardoning anyone here. There are fines and fees and penalties and probationary time they have to wait. And it's a long, arduous process, but it is possible.